very happy with that. I'm not going to do anything else to that. I think that's nice and flat. It looks really, really satiny. I like that a lot. I do see a little bit of a shine right there on that radius, so I'm just going to knock that down. All right, awesome. Going to peel the tape, have a look at the nut here and see if I need to deal with that at all. I may not have to. Trying to stay in the camera. I want to have a look here and see if I have to do any work up against the nut, because that tape kind of was over that a little bit. I think I'm going to find that 1500 and wrap it around a stick. Just going to get right up against the nut here, do a little bit. So, popsicle stick and 1500. I need my visor. I can't see. I see a little white line, but I'm not sure what that's about. Okay, well, I'll continue to work on that with the visor. Meanwhile, I'm going to flip it over and do the shellac on the back of this thing. All right, so just a quick demo here. I just did it, but I'll show you again. Took some of this tree wax, paste wax, get it on the dealie. Comes with a little applicator when you buy it, or a big applicator. And I just rubbed it over this, and I took some of this 4/0 bronze wool and just scrubbed it out. Actually did it all the way down the neck as well. I'm going to do the peg head, the front, I should say, of the peg head. And I did the sides. Everything looks extremely nice, very, very satiny. It's got an amazing feel to the back of the neck now too. Just absolutely wonderful. It's going to be even better than it was. You could also use the other way. I've got Johnson's wax. Oh, it's right here. Cruising around here too, and I use this all the time. It just happened to be that this is the one I saw first. I think this wax is just a little harder, actually. I don't know if that means it's more durable. No, it's not as soft in the can. All right, so I just got a good coat of wax on here, and I had stopped at 1500 grit on the sand out. So just got the bronze wool here, 4/0. This is achieving really, really what I was after, which was just a very soft, maybe not even satin, but a matte look. I'm very pleased with the look of the logo decal. It's just very soft looking. I like that a lot. Like I said, I did the edges already. Then I'm just wiping off the excess, and I'm going to get the tuners back on this neck, get this neck back on the guitar, get it set up, and bring you back in. All right. Paisley Strat is back together in action as the peg head logo, JONAH. I should have enlarged this. Get right up in there. Okay. As the tuners are all back on and in line and very, very even. I'm not gonna say they're absolutely perfect, but they're much, much better than they were, and very even. I just gonna clean it up a little bit. Strung it, just clamped the neck back on it, strung it back up, and it's set up just like it was. It's very good. 3/16 string height at the 12th. Pretty much all the way across. I like my neck's very flat. Neck looks really good. I didn't even check the truss rod to see how much relief it had in it. It's got a fuzz, so it's probably still about 8 where I set them. So that sounds awful. Oh, that's right. It was not tuned. I did just adjust the A string up a little bit. It was just a fuzz low on the radius for some reason. So I adjusted that up and I forgot. And now I have my tuner hooked up to my camera, so I'm not gonna play. That's my middle pickup. As a reminder, these pickups were wound by John Williams at Guitar Attack. I definitely got to dust this thing off. It's calls these single wides. I'm pretty sure these were, I spec'd these as kind of vintagey 50s kind of wrap on these things, so that I just have all the knobs all the way up. I like those in-betweens until I'm playing in a band and then I can't hear it. Lowers the volume just enough. Show you how these sound clean. All right, well, the Strat's back in action. I'll play that tomorrow. So what did I do? I did the thing where I routed the trim cavity a little deeper on this, and got it to spec, and then I also filled and moved, I'm pointing up there where you can't see, filled and moved the tuners so that they were much mo better in line, and then I also did the peg head decal, or headstock decal. These are the open back dip shot tuners, locking open back, open gear. Anyway, like those a lot. All right, guys. Thank you much. Take care now.